Do you also have here the misfortune of watching those stupid American TV series, like comedy series, like Cheers, Friends, where crucial, laughter is part of the soundtrack. This is for me an extremely mysterious, wonderful phenomenon. How does it work? You sit at a table yesterday in the evening, you watch at the screen as an idiot, the screen laughs for you. At the end, you feel relieved as if, even if you didn't laugh. This is a very important psychological lesson. The others can not only do the work for you, others can also laugh for you, cry for you, and especially believe for you. A typical believer today doesn't have to believe himself. You need another to play the naive idiot for you. You say, I am a pervert, but my children have to believe, and so on and so on. So, you know, things are so... to finish with a joke probably known to most of you that you know, yeah, which I think it's a condensation absolute of how things function today. Sorry if you know it. Niels Bohr, Copenhagen, you know, the great physicist. You know the story. He was visited at his house in a countryside by a fellow scientist. Above the entrance to his house, country house, there was a horseshoe, which in Europe is a superstitious item, preventing evil spirits to enter the house. And the friend asked him, listen, why do you have this up there? You are a scientist. Do you believe in this superstition shit? Niels Bohr answered, of course I don't believe in it. I'm a scientist. But I have it there because I was told that it works even if you don't believe in it. That's ideology today. Beliefs function, you don't have to believe. That's life. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So
I'm grateful to you, and I'm sorry, the only way to overcome, I claim, now I will shock you, racist prejudice, I'm sorry if I was a cultural imperialist, is the only way to fight racism is universalized racism. We make fun of each other to each other, we will be friends. Next time we should do it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. All that remains for me is to thank everybody, our sponsors, the organizers who worked so unceasingly to make these 2 days as eventful and as exciting as it is.
Sponsors, now you mentioned the capital.
I did, yes. Without money, unfortunately, this doesn't work. But a lot of the money came from you as registration fees, and we hope that component will increase so that our dependence on sponsorship can be as minimal as possible. Come back the next year, look out for the announcement for Kochi Live 2011, and I hope you'll be there in bigger strength. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.